Hey guys, welcome back to the Sysadmin channel. If you haven't heard by now, Microsoft released their beta version of Server 2019, officially known as vNext Semi-Annual Build 17623, and today we're going to take a look at installing it. So I went ahead and signed up for Microsoft's Insider program and was able to download the ISO file that I have loaded up right here. This is my first look at Server 2019, so I'm going to power it on and see what we get. So right off the bat I noticed that the version or the year is gone on Windows Server. That's a little bit strange, but we'll go ahead and click on next to this. Same as before, go ahead and install now. Alright, so this doesn't look too different from previous versions. We're going to go ahead and select Windows Server Data Center and then next. Accept the terms, next. And as usual with a brand new install, we'll go ahead and select custom and then select the disk to format it. So we'll hit next again. And this is pretty much the same as before. I'm going to go ahead and skip through this part and we'll come back when it's ready. So we rebooted a couple of times and I noticed that nothing really differs from previous versions. As far as the installation goes, that is, but as soon as it boots in, we'll go ahead and check this out. Alright, so here's a little something different. Now it's asking me to change my password before signing in. We'll click OK to that and enter in a new password. Alright, I'm just going to check my IP just to make sure that I'm on my network, and it looks like I am. That's good. Let's go ahead and do a get Windows feature to see what roles are installed or if anything's changed. I'll try to click on more a little bit slow so you guys can see what's going on. That probably went a little too fast, so I'll go ahead and do a get Windows feature and pipe it out to a where object so we can just see exactly what's installed. There's not much more to check here, so I guess we might have to wait until the full version GUI comes out. Alright guys,